Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. If Krishna is taken as ordinary boy, human being, Krishna will deal with him as ordinary human being. If Krishna is accepted as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the devotee will enjoy the association of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And if the impersonalists are very much fond of Brahma Jyoti, he is the source. Therefore, he is everything. Brahmeti, Paramatmeti, Bhagavaniti, Sabdate. So, with such exalted personality of Godhead, these boys are playing. How they have been so much fortunate to play with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Ittang satang brahma sukhanubhutya dasangatanang paradaivatina maya sitanang naradarakena sadhang vijarahu kritapunna punya. These boys, coward boys now, who are playing with Krishna, they are also not ordinary. They have got now the highest perfection, that they have been able to play with the Supreme Personality of God. How they have achieved this position? Krita punya punya, many lives, pious activities. Because these boys, for many lives, underwent austerities, penances, to achieve the highest perfection of life. Now they have got the opportunity playing with Krishna personally, on equal level. They do not know that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is Vrindavan Leela. The cowherd boy, they simply love Krishna. Their love is unending. Everyone in Vrindavan, they say Jasodama, Nanda Maharaj, they are in paternal affection with Krishna. So, the father and mother love Krishna, the friends love Krishna, the girlfriends, they love Krishna, the trees love Krishna, the water love Krishna, the flower, the cows, the calves, everyone loves Krishna. That is Vrindavan. So, if we simply learn how to love Krishna, then we can create immediately this world as Vrindavan. This is the only central point. How to love Krishna. Prema pumartha mahan. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that the dharmartha kama moksha. People are after these four things. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu disregarded this. This is not achievement of life. Of course, a human being, human life does not begin unless there is conception of religion, dharma. But at the present moment in the Kali Yuga, dharma is practically need. So, according to Vedic calculation, the present human civilization, they are not even human beings. Because there is no dharma, there is no religion, no morality, no pious activities, do not care. Everyone can do anything without caring. Formerly there was morality, immorality, irreligious, religious, but with the progress of Kali Yuga, everything is being vanquished. It is stated in the Kali Yuga, About 80% people, they are sinful, all sinful. And we can practically see the sinful list we have given, 4 principles: illicit sex life, intoxication, meat eating, and gambling. These are the 4 pillars of sinful life. Therefore, we request our student, first of all, break these 4 pillars. So the roof of sinful life will collapse. Then chant Hare Krishna, you remain fixed up in transcendental position. Simple method. Because one cannot realize God if his life is sinful. That is not possible. Therefore Krishna says, Jisam antagatam papam. Antagatam means finished.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,